Working hard or hardly working?
What's it look like?
Working hard. So we have 2 entry points, 3 entry points. 1, 2, 3.
I know, I seen him crawling over there. That's an ant. He's a loner. I gotta straighten them stairs out a little. They're a little angled.
This is, yeah, it's the size of a normal pool. Mm-hmm. Water trickle over here. This is almost like a hot tub. But this will be the bog filter. Catch all the leaves and whatnot. Flow down through here. This is going to be cut down to here. This will be another waterfall here, down into there, down into there, to there.
Things heavy too. 525 together.
So we finally got all this part of the pond lined, and this part right here. We got a good portion of the family coming tomorrow that's going to help us line this one right here. That's what all this liner back here is for. People are going to wonder why we have that type of plastic up on the top there.
That's just for rain erosion. It's not for holding.
He doesn't have his microphone on, but it's for
Rain erosion.
Rain erosion. Because the water is only going to come up to this shelf right here. We're going to put the water in it and see how it holds, kind of conform the ledges a little bit better. Oh my God.
Quicksand.
Look at your mud socks.
That's sexy as hell, too.
Calm down over there, Saressa. Oh, it's stuck.
You need help?
You got it.
As we watch.
Yeah.
There's a difference.
Beep.
Come on, big boss, let's go.
Yee-ho. much for that pond.
Oh, she's got no. Wait.
Hold up right there, anyways.
Where's that yell?
Pretty close. Need a bit more. Go a little bit more. Keep going. Put her in 4. Whoa! 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 Good.
Just learn all the hand signals.
Yeah. Got
I did the stretch. She'd be like, I don't know what the fuck you're trying to tell me. Thank God for that side by side.
Remember how high pitched her bark was. Caitlin, stand on this. You're the closest. Right here.
Oh, she's gonna be a beaut. She's gonna be a beaut.
Can't get all the way, go down.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe those bottom ones, put the bottom ones up.
Right now.
Feet up.
Slide down that enough.
I was gonna say, if we slide down enough, it's gonna create a nice little divot.